Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Since I have a nice heavy beard growth today, let's do a shave and review of this Parker Shavette. This is called the SRX. It's a nice chrome finish, and it is the hinge type blade loading mechanism. And this is the newest model as opposed to the previous model, which was the SRB. Also comes in white. This is black. This SRX is heftier. This SRX, it weighs in at 2.1 ounces or 60 grams, whereas the previous model was a bit lighter at 1.3 ounces or 37 grams. So we're going to use this baby today. It's a nice chrome finish to it. The only drawback might be that it does leave fingerprints when you touch it, which is no big deal. By the way, if you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with 7 half blades, free, included. Shark, Derby, Perma-Sharp, Sharp, 7 AM, and Lord. You get one of each if you buy it from Shave Nation. So that's a pretty cool incentive to get it. Keep in mind that you can also use a regular double-edged razor blade like this right here. This is an Astra blade, but all you need to do is take the blade, insert it into the paper packaging like I have just done, fold over the paper, and just be careful when you snap this. Don't put your fingers on the sharp edge. Snap it, and then you can remove the half and insert it the same way, just like this. Here's the half blade that I snapped. Okay, we'll put those down because I am going to use the Perma-Sharp. Haven't shaved with a Perma-Sharp in a long time, so let's see how this works out. As far as loading it, you just separate the two arms like this, and you can see the 2 pins right here. Just take the blade, it's got little grooves, insert those grooves right over the next to the pins, just like that, and then take the arm and fold it over, and it will snap onto the pins like so, and then just bring the hinge down. Just be careful you don't touch it with your finger or your thumb underneath. Bring the hinge down all the way, and it locks the blade in place. It will not move. The soap I'm going to use is this Colonel Conk Bay Rum, which is a glycerin-based soap. So the cool thing about that is that you can melt it down in a microwave or on the stove and just pour it into your favorite container, which I've done here. This is a little palm-sized. This is a little palm. Spill the water right on the razor. This is a little palm-sized shaving bowl right here. The brush I'll be using is this Fine Stout brush, which is a synthetic brush. It is a 24 millimeter knot. Here's a look at the bottom of it. And I will just soak this in the water. With these synthetic brushes, you want to shake the bulk of the water out. Not like a Badger brush, you can leave it really wet. These, you need to really give it a good shake to remove the water. Otherwise, you'll get way too sudsy with your soap. Here's what it looks like. It's kind of funky looking, but that's fine. And I'll just dip that right in the Conk Bay Rum and start swirling there. And you can see quickly it starts building some lather. And it's already loading on the brush. So what I will do is warm my face up and we'll get on with the shave. I've got my face nice and wet. Let's just take the brush and go right to the face. What happens now? Let's clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. And dry the fingers, most important, before you pick up that sharp object. The blade is loaded. You can go with 1 finger in front and 3 in the back, or 2 in the front and 2 in the back of the pivot, like so. For cutting the sideburn, I'll just go with 1, and we'll just find the angle slightly outward like that, and just work our way down. Just to cut the sideburn straight, like so. And then you can stretch the skin. And just follow down with your fingers as you stretch the skin. Excellent, very comfortable, nice and easy. You can see the shaving cream and beard that's been removed. I'll rinse that off. Okay, now I'll switch to my left hand for the left side and just cut that sideburn. And then you can stretch. And just follow down with your fingers. Very nice. It took it right off. Just 1 pass. Look at that. Okay, now we'll go around the chin area. Left side of the chin. Cleft. Now we'll work our way down the chin area. Very smooth. Very nice and smooth. Left side. Now the mustache area. Shavette is nice. You can get directly under the nose to scoop out those hairs. And puff the cheek if you need to. Nice, okay. Now the left side. After the first pass, look how beautiful, nice and smooth. It removed my heavy beard growth, no problem whatsoever. I could stop right here, but let's get a little extra close and we'll do one more pass, just so you can see how the second pass is done. We'll just lather up a little more of this soap. Let's clear those runways. Now we'll open up the razor like this and use it like a Japanese style razor, and we'll start at the bottom and work our way up. This will get you extra smooth. Now the other side, I'll use my left hand here. And here we'll go across the grain. You can stretch if you need to. Okay. And the other way across the grain. Nice. It's a little tricky getting inside that cleft to clean it out. Okay, a little bit more lather here. And go across here. And back this way. Okay. Now final rinse off. I'll take the Shave Nation Allen block, the wide stick, and just wet that under the water, cold water, and glide that all around. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then we'll rinse that off and pat the face dry. This is Ogallala Bay Rum. This is probably one of the most popular bay rums. Been around for a long time. Very nice smell to it. It's an excellent fragrance scent. You can spray it into your, this is a sprayer. It comes in a regular pour bottle as well, but here's a sprayer. So you can spray it into your hand like so, and then right to the face, or a couple squirts on the face, and oh yeah, nice strong bay rum scent and sting. Nice slap and sting. Oh, and burn. It's burning right now. Feels great. Woo. Nice burn. Okay. Very good. It's burning, still burning. It's going to burn for a little while, I could tell. Very refreshing. This will be a nice wake-up call in the morning. Okay, back to the razor, the Parker SRX. It is made by Parker Safety Razor, which it says right here. And here it says since 1973. It is stainless steel, it says right here. So you never need to worry about it rusting. And then on the reverse side, it says made in India. And again, stainless steel. There's a nice look at it. Excellent razor. You can see that it took my heavy beard growth. Only one pass, removed it quickly and easily. And it was very comfortable to shave with. The shiny finish could be slippery, so make sure you dry your fingers. If you want to pick one of these razors up, just click under the video where it says show more, and there will be links to all the different products used in the video. Or go to shavenation.com, enter in the search box SRX. It'll pop right up. And you'll get the 7 different brands of blades with it, one of each one. And you can test drive those blades and see which one you like the best. and then maybe you can pick up a bulk pack of 100 blades, the half blades. And keep in mind, you can also split your DE, double-edged safety razor blades, and use them in here as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.